Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're in the Northern Territory in a small town called Nhulunbuy and we're heading out for a fish, so stick around to see some good fish get caught and overall a great day. Okay, so the day started off with a bang with me hooking onto our first medium-sized mackerel, and it put up a fair fight and was perfect for dinner that night.
I turn it off and I run away, searching for freedom where the river flows. We'll let the sunshine take me home. Gravity won't ever hold me down. My heart's going where the lights are glowing, and I can see an endless, colorful summer. I'm getting lost in the sun.
So what we're doing here is we're actually chasing schools of tuna. So there was a fair bit of action happening around the bay, and so we're looking for signs like birds diving into the water or the tuna hitting the bait fish on top of the water, splashing around. So here I've hooked up to not a bad tuna, and it's fair to say it gave me a good fight.
I walk the streets and see strangers smiling. I feel the breeze, there's a change starting. I walk over to the closest borders to feel my feet in the cold sand. I feel the fresh air in my lungs and breathe the love all around. And I can see an endless, colorful summer. I'm getting lost in the sun. Keep your head high, keep your eyes in the sky like stars.
Get the gap.
Keep on smiling in your heart. Keep on chasing the sun. Keep your head high, keep your eyes in the sky like stars. Keep on smiling in your heart. Keep on chasing the sun. Keep your head high, keep your eyes in the sky like stars.
Watch out for the thief.
Keep on smiling in your heart. Keep on chasing the sun.
You got the gap?
Yep, that's
Dude.
Watch out, watch out. Nice one.
Wonder how it feels. I wanna be
Oh, that is a big.
I know.
Barbecue shake. That's not a GT, is it? That's a Queenie.
Yeah.
Where's the bat?
Hey, I better get going. Yeah, I'll call you later. It's all happening here. See ya. Alright, just chuck your meat in.
That
is awesome,
Get the fish grips ready. Well done.
That's a big one, Rick.
I've never caught a queen. Not on this boat.
Good on?
Mate, we'll be eating fish for the next week.
What a fish. So first the tuna made the mackerel look small. Now the Queenie's making the tuna look small.
Good.
You can.
Rick, how's your fishing experience going?
Pretty good.
Down here, lots of greedy minds, mainstream puppets on the headlines. But I keep my head high, better in the sky, reaching the light, feelings in my mind. Time to stay strong, stay close, don't give up to these walls.
it could be a shark. But no, it couldn't be on that small.
No, I don't think so. It just happened in a snake.
Could be a rock button.
Yeah.
See ya.
Colours on it.
I can get your photo.
Yeah, you might
Is that the exact same one?